The government has been urged to introduce more renewable energy-friendly incentives in the budget to accelerate the drive towards universal access of energy in Kenya. A report by energy lobby group 350.org argues that such measures would boost local manufacturing, cutting costs and making renewable products more accessible.
An investment into an energy system that services the entire household needs for energy. That's clean cooking, from lighting, and also helping communities that are affected by impacts of climate change, such as droughts, to be able to build resilience through irrigative systems, for example. When the rain fails, they are able to continue producing.
So chamas and whatnot are coming together to pooling resources to buy products that are renewable. And then now also there's the Mission 300, which is Kenya is part of, that is leading the force to microfinance, clean cooking facilities for local groups in different parts of Kenya itself.